17 CR 00127 is Mr. Ryan Burke. There's something wrong here today. I don't know. Commonwealth versus Ryan Burke, 17 CR 00127. Are you Ryan Burke?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You were born in 1994.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 3126. You're here on a probation revocation. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, this is a case where Mr. Burke has been in prison.
Probably need to come around. Y'all need to move to your left here.
This is a case where Mr. Burke has been in prison for some time in Tennessee. Our motion's been pending for quite a while. I talked to Ms. Hill about this. What I would propose to the court is withdraw my motion to revoke. He would agree to extend his probation for 5 years. He would be released, report to Mr. Collins. This would be set back in court in 60 days, and he'd start paying $200 restitution, we'll say within the 60 days. And he's still about $6,000 in restitution owed, if that's all right with the court.
Well, he can't pay the restitution if we put him in jail.
No, that's, and he's served quite a bit of time already.
Okay, come over here.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we let this happen, where are you gonna be employed?
At Fleetwood Homes in Macon County, Tennessee.
Yeah, that's one thing I left out. He's already on parole in Tennessee being supervised down there. So Mr. Collins just want to get him set up here and let Tennessee supervise.
Yeah, well, I want him to, will he need to sign a waiver of extradition for him?
That'd be a good idea.
Okay, let's get him to sign a waiver of extradition for him. What were you in the penitentiary for down there, Mr. Burke?
I was it was a jail and it was on a violation of probation as well.
Well, what were you on probation for?
Violated my 6 for attempt to possess a firearm by felon. I was in the vicinity of a firearm.
Well, you seem like you know the vocabulary involved in this criminal activity and stuff. I mean, what kind of criminal record does he have? Pretty extensive.
I'd have to look. Let's see. We didn't have anything on him here when he picked up this case here, but like I say, he's not been available to us for quite a while.
Do we have one of those extradition waiver forms up here? Do you have an extradition waiver form? Fill that out. You know, Mr. Burke, I'm gonna take a chance on you
Thank you,
to
sir.
do this. But how much time does he have left? Does anybody know how much time he has left?
It's a 3-year sentence. So if we extend his probation for 5 years, he'd still have to serve the balance. I don't think he's got hardly any credit for time served on this.
Well, make sure we enter an order and it's agreeable to you to extend your probation. Now, you can extend a probationary period until restitution is done, can't you?
We can.
Let's just do that.
Okay.
I'd like to say the year that I had just spent, I was in every single class.
We're fixing to let you out, so you don't need to say
I just
anything.
want to let you know
Well,
that.
I appreciate it.
Sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. I mean, once you get to the goal, you ought to like stop. It doesn't do it. Running through the end zone doesn't help get them score you more points.
I
So
know,
you
I'm
have
just
to
proud
get
of what
out.
I've done, sir. I
Well,
apologize.
I hope I can be proud of you when this is finished.
Thank you, sir.
So you're agreeing to extend your probationary period through the restitution payment, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, we'll enter an order doing that. When can he get out?
I'm ready to release him today.
Okay, so you make sure he does this waiver of extradition for him, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay.
Your Honor, what would the review date be on this?
You go out 6 months or something like that, a review date?
That's fine. I was said 60 days because I want to make sure he's paying the restitution, but if you want to do 6 months, that's fine.
Let's say March 12th. March 12th.
We'll need to be back here.
You
though.
need to be back here
Yes, sir.
March 12th, okay. Christopher Burks,
Thank you, Your Honor.
yeah.
This is where, yes, take the last one. Name's changed.
Commonwealth versus Christopher Burks, 25 CR 0051. Are you Christopher Burks? Good morning. Were you born in 1994? Last four digits, social security number 8386. We're here on a pretrial conference. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
We have a felony plea, right?
Okay. A motion has been tendered that says you wish to enter guilty plea. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yeah.
Are you the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 0051?
Yeah.
Is your judgment impaired today? And have you discussed this matter with your attorney? Are you satisfied with her advice?
Yeah.
Have you viewed the evidence the Commonwealth has against you? You believe you've been fully informed about your case?
Yeah.
You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under Kentucky and United States Constitution. Before I can accept your plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. I'm going to go over them at the end. I'll ask you if you understand. If you have any questions, down, step away and ask your attorney. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Right to speed trial by jury, right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial, right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you, right to produce evidence, right to call witnesses in your favor, right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, and right to require the Commonwealth to prove on a reasonable doubt that you're guilty and charged against you. By entering guilty plea, that you give up all those rights. Do you understand that?
Yes.
I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply any range of sentence provided by law. I don't have to accept it. Prior to accepting the recommendation, I will await the pre-sentence investigation report done by probation and parole. In the event that I do not accept it, Commonwealth's recommendation and decide to give a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea and proceed. Trial. You understand that? You'll step to your left here, Mr. Judd. What is the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
The Commonwealth agrees to dismiss failure to maintain insurance on a motor vehicle, reckless driving, failure to signal, no rear view mirror, disregarding a stop sign, failure to illuminate registration plates, speeding, and persistent felony offender. Upon a plea of guilty to fleeing or evading police, first degree a C felony, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 6 years to serve. The Commonwealth opposes probation and shock probation. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above style case forfeited and destroyed in a manner that's consistent with the laws of Kentucky and the holding agency.
You can back around. Is that what you agreed to?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment as amended?
Yes.
You doing so of your own free will?
Yeah.
Knowing your constitutional rights to explain to us still your desire to proceed to enter this plea agreement and allow the court to fix your punishment. And you understand after entering this plea, any future convictions could be enhanced under persistent felony offender law. You understand that?
Yes.
That's your signature on the docket.
Yes.
I will agree to accept it, subject to review of the pre-sentence investigation report and schedule your sentencing on January 15th.
Your Honor, would the court be willing to furlough Mr. Burks until final
No.
sentencing?
I don't, because I don't have the information. Ashley Compton,
Yes, sir.
good morning.
Good morning.
We were born in 1984.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 3573.
Yes, sir.
You're here on a pretrial diversion revocation. What does the Commonwealth say?
Judge, we had her assessed for the special report and she is eligible. I don't know if they voted on her or not this morning. We need to get an orientation date. We've texted Mr. Graves to come up here so we can just pass her for a little bit.
Well, tell me what kind of problem she has here. What brought this revocation up?
It was on the 18th of November and she had, she basically violated the terms of her agreement. She's on for possession and she was gone for about a month.
Here's one.
That's fine.
Your Honor, my understanding from Ms. Compton is that there were significant transportation issues. She does not reside in Monroe County. So after she was picked up, I did speak with Mr. Stockton, and we are still interested in getting her into this program.
Where were you residing?
In Butler County,
Where?
Butler County,
Morgantown?
Morgantown.
Yeah.
I'm from Bowling Green originally.
And I think she has an address in Metcalfe County now, is
Yes.
that correct? So she can either test over in Metcalfe County and come here, or they can eventually transfer to Metcalfe County. if She gets in the drug court.
How long have you been incarcerated this time?
What, since the 5th, December 5th? I was, also prior, I was in the hospital for double pneumonia and congestive heart failure. I was supposed to have surgery on the 10th, but it's, I'll see. But
And are you able to work?
yeah, yes,
And do you have a job lined up?
yes,
Where?
with my uncle in Metcalfe County,
Well, I
His
don't know
body.
you, I might know
His,
your uncle. Does he have a name?
Dale Compton,
Okay, what will you be doing there?
working at his body shop.
Well, I guess if the court's willing, we'll just give her an orientation day for starting.
She voted in, was she?
Well, she was voted in originally according to Mr. Graves, and she didn't show up for their orientation. That's the reason.
Do what?
My ride left me.
Okay, let me tell you what. The next time you violate the order, you'll get a ride. And they won't miss you. We'll know where you're at, and you'll go up to the big house. So I don't want, you ever heard the old excuse that the kids said while they didn't have their homework, the dog ate their
Yeah.
homework? You stay away from the dog.
Yep,
You understand what I'm saying?
yep.
So we're gonna give you an opportunity.
Thank you.
So we'll let you out on the day of the orientation here. Mr. Gray, when you think you'll have an orientation date for her?
Which is, I think the next court is Friday, so it'll be that Thursday, so it'll be the 12th or the 13th.
In January?
On the Thursday, January the 13th.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll do that.
No, it's a diverter.
So I would at least, you know, how they get.
Let's check that date again on what date the orientation is.
Well, Mr. Graves is saying January. And I don't know if the court wants to quicker or not. I mean, that's-
You know,
I think she's getting a good break.
I think she is, but we'll just, it's okay. I mean, here's the way I look at it. She's had these other opportunities, and this is just an opportunity for her to think about it a little bit there, and that'll get her out soon enough. Okay. Stephen Coots. Commonwealth versus Stephen Coots, 24 CR 0042. Are you Stephen Coots?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You're here, were you born in 1990?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 2446.
Yes,
You're
sir.
here for sentencing. You had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence investigation report done by probation and parole.
Yes, sir.
Is it substantially correct?
Yes, sir.
Counselor, is there any reason this gentleman should not be sentenced today?
No, sir.
Upon plea of guilty, possession of controlled substance, first degree, first offense, methamphetamine, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 3 years, however, probated for 5 years supervised. What are the court costs in this? $215. You need some time to pay that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, I'll let you pay it at $40 a month. The first payment's due 30 days from today, okay? You'll need to meet with the probation parole officer. When can he meet with you?
Tomorrow in Glasgow, Your Honor.
Okay, tomorrow in Glasgow. We'll let you out tomorrow to go to the probation parole office, okay? Is there anything else? Commonwealth have anything else in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you.
Good.
Yeah. Mary Gerald's. Mary Gerald's. Commonwealth versus Mary Gerald's, 23 CR 0038. Are you Mary Gerald's? Good morning. Were you born in 1984?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits of your social security number 2186.
Yes, sir.
We're on a probation revocation. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
On this motion to revoke pretrial diversion, she has two 5-year sentences running concurrently on criminal possession of forged instrument. She was terminated from the specialty court due to the fact that she absconded.
Your Honor, Ms. Gerald's is electing to stand revoked today.
Okay. Now, was it a pretrial diversion or is it a
I thought it was
probation revocation?
Pretrial diversion.
I believe it's a probation, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I'll vote it down.
Okay, we'll revoke probation then and she can commence her sentence, okay? Thank you very much.
It is probation.
Justin Gillespie. Justin Gillespie. Over here, Mr. Gillespie. This is 25 CR 0049, Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Justin Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie, good morning.
Mark.
Were you born in 1985?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5237.
Yes, sir.
What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Have a felony plea, Your Honor.
Okay, I've just been informed that a motion has been tendered that says you wish to enter a felony plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given? Are you the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 0049?
Yes, sir.
Is your judgment impaired today
No,
in
sir.
any way? Have you discussed the charges with your attorney? Are you satisfied with her advice?
Yes, sir.
Have you viewed the evidence the Commonwealth has against you? Feel like you're fully informed about the case?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under Kentucky and United States constitutions. Before I can accept a plea, I need to know that you understand those fully. I'm going to go down through your rights and at the end ask you if you understand, okay? If at any time you want to stop and step away and talk to your attorney, you feel free to do so. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. The right to speedy trial by jury, the right to be represented by counsel at jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses, call to testify against you, the right to produce evidence, the right to call witnesses in your favor, have process issued to compel their attendance. You have a right to appeal this matter higher court if you lose, and a right to apply the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of the charge against you. Understand that by entering this guilty plea, you give up those rights. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply any range of sentence provided below. I don't have to accept the recommendation. Prior to accepting any recommendation, I will await the pre-sentence investigation report done by probation and parole. In the event that I do not accept the Commonwealth's recommendation after reviewing that report and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea and proceed to trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You'll step to your left a little bit. Mr. Judd, what is the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Your Honor, the Commonwealth dismisses possession of drug paraphernalia, KRS 318A 500, parentheses 2. Upon plea of guilty to possession of a controlled substance, first degree, second offense, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 1 year to serve. The 1 year sentence shall run consecutively to Monroe Circuit Court indictment number 24 CR 00026. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above case forfeited and destroyed in a manner that's consistent with the laws of the Commonwealth and the holding agency.
Is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the act charged in the indictment?
Yes, sir.
Doing so of your own free will?
Yes.
Knowing your constitutional rights, as I've explained to you, it's 2 years desire to give up those rights, enter a plea and allow the court to fix your punishment within the range permitted by law.
Yes, sir.
You understand that this guilty plea will result in any future conviction being enhanced under the persistent felony offender
Yes, sir.
law. You understand that? Is that your signature on the document?
It is, sir.
I'll accept the agreement or pre-sentence investigation report, have sentencing on January the 15th. Okay, thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you. Jared Hale.
We just prepared the paperwork on that one, Your Honor. You'll need to fax it so I can go over it with
Who's his lawyer on that?
Ms. Hill.
Jared, they got some paperwork they're gonna go over with you here, so they'll be right back there in a minute. Amber Henderson is next. Amber Henderson.